Welcome back to the course. So we already got the answer of what is Oracle Apex, and now the next question, why should I use Oracle Apex? Well, there are more answers for it, and it is categorized based on role. So for a developer, you have multiple answers to answer this question. Let's say if you are an Oracle database customer, then you have everything you need to start building productive scalable apps using Oracle Apex. That is a very big advantage to view your data with more customization options. And if you are an Oracle Forms customer, you can really adapt to the Oracle Apex development experience. And as a bonus, you can easily reuse all of your existing SQL and PureSQL. And if you are a full stack developer, you can spend more time focusing on your business requirements and less time writing the necessary infrastructure for a web application. And finally, if you're an Oracle DBA, same as having the skill on understanding the Oracle database, you'll be able to easily understand and appreciate the simple but reliable architecture of Oracle Apex. You can add your own SQL and let Oracle Apex take care of the rest. So next, for a student, if you are having a basic knowledge of SQL, you'll be able to build beautiful responsive web applications very quickly with essentially no knowledge of HTML, CSS, JavaScript. But even if you're familiar with them, you can explore your talents and Oracle Apex to create highly customized UIs. And for a business user, you'll be able to create new applications from the spreadsheet data in minutes. Oracle Apex includes powerful self-service reporting features, and you can easily add custom filters, sort, aggregate, pivot, and chart your data, and even create reports which get emailed to you on a periodic basis. All these are reasons why Oracle Apex is awesome and why you should definitely consider it for your next project, and why you made the right choice to start with this course.